Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter page not available, your IT admin has limited access to some areas of this app when using Windows Defender, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to know is whether we are logged into our own account or we are logged into a company's account or some other account which is causing this error message. So we'll right click on the start bar, go to settings and then go to accounts. And then we'll click on email and accounts. Now if we are not logged into our own account, we can add a Microsoft account and then we can sign in and this error will no longer appear. But if it does, that means there's some issue with the Windows Defender app. So we will repair the Windows Defender app. We'll do that by copying this command. You will find this command in the description of this video. So we'll copy it and then we will open Windows PowerShell. Alright, right click on it, click on run as administrator and then we'll paste this command and press enter. This will repair the Windows apps including your Windows Defender app. Now the next thing we can do is we can edit the registry. For that we need to look for registry editor and then click on run as administrator and we will use this path. This path also you will find in the description of this video. So open the registry editor and then copy and paste in this bar here. Paste it. Alright. And then we'll come to this Windows Defender here. Local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Right click on this and click on delete. And once you delete it, you need to restart the computer. So you will click on the start button, click on the power button and then click on restart, and Windows should build the Microsoft Defender file, Windows Defender file again, and this problem will be solved. Now in the rare case this problem is not solved, then we need to do an in-place upgrade. So for that, first we'll create a restore point. So we'll go to recovery. This is recovery, okay, and then we'll click on configure system restore and we'll click on create a restore point. You can name that restore point whatever you like and then we'll click on create. Now you can see that it is creating a restore point, and while that's taking place we will look for how to do an in-place upgrade. Okay, the restore point was created successfully. Now we will open the browser and we will look for Windows 11 installation media. Alright, we'll go to the site and then you can either download Windows 11 installation assistant or you can download the Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now and then open the file. Right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and you will need a USB drive or a DVD. Alright, so this will take time folks. So I will tell you that you just accept the license agreement. And I forgot to tell you this, and this is very important. Now when you download this installation media, you need to read these requirements before you proceed with the installation. So you need a 64-bit CPU. Alright, for that you will go to system configuration, system information, and you will see that you have a system type x64 based PC. Okay, and then okay, so all these requirements you need to watch and then you can download this tool, run this tool, select the language and edition. Alright, click on next and then you need a USB flash drive that is at least 8 GB or an ISO file. You'll need to burn the ISO file to a DVD later and you need to click on next and then perform the upgrade, and this issue should not appear again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.